pros of installing riprap over maybe some other shoreline stabilization techniques have to do with the actual strength and functionality of the product. Riprap is a very strong and high-performing product to use on a shoreline. It can handle high erosion intensity situations on shorelines. So when we start talking about wakes from boats, and we start talking about ice, and we start talking about big waves, and even rainfall, heavy rainfall, riprap can perform really well. Another pro to riprap would be the aesthetic. I mean, a lot of people really like the looks of a rock shoreline. It can give that up north feel. So I think the aesthetic is important with riprap. Another really solid pro of riprap is that its longevity. I mean, riprap is made of stone. It doesn't deteriorate. If it's properly installed, it'll last a very, very long time. So riprap has a lot of pros. It has some cons too. Some of the cons to riprap involve the permitting process. Some communities don't want too much riprap in their lakes and rivers, so the permitting process can be a little more difficult. Wrapped into that, you could say that there could be some environmental concerns with riprap in the sense that you might be potentially deteriorating some habitat for animals and fish, and birds. So there is an issue about what you might be doing environmentally, and those concerns also are why the permitting process can be a little more difficult. That's not to say there's not a need for riprap, it just has to be in the right circumstance when you should actually have it. Another con for riprap might be a little bit the cost. Riprap is, it's a lot of material, so it can cost a little bit more money, so that would be a con. And lastly would be access. You need, generally you're going to need some access for heavy equipment to get in and install riprap, as opposed to maybe a shoreline that's using vegetation to stabilize it. You don't necessarily need heavy equipment for something like that. So.